Hello everyone, this is Infinity81. Welcome back to my channel and thank you very much for visiting me again in my channel. This is one of the picture I drew in one of my previous videos, so please check it out. If you haven't checked it out, I will put the link in the description below, or you can also follow the playlist I've created with this channel. Okay, so I will show you other pictures just to get you interested in checking out my videos. Okay. So today I want to draw butterfly. So when you draw butterfly, we always do like the body, then two wings, right and left, right? But one problem with that is that I can make the wings the same, like the right side and the left side. So today I don't want to do that. I want to draw the butterfly sideways. Then we will start the body with the body. I went online and did little research about butterfly, and I found out that the butterfly's body, it has three parts. It's the head. We got a head here, then something they called as thorax. I hope I pronounce it correctly. Then the abdomen. Okay, I think it's pretty easy, yeah. So you just need to draw the head, one, and you draw the thorax, then you draw the abdomen. Remember, this is the butterfly. You look sideways from the side. Okay. And you know, one thing interesting I found out when I researched about butterfly is that the adult butterflies, they only eat liquid. So I think that's why they are skinny and the fragile wings can take them anywhere they want. Okay, so I told you before that I don't want to make it draw butterfly you can see from front. It's from the side. So I think it's pretty easy, yeah? You just need to draw this, then you got the butterfly. Then I will start drawing the wings. Okay. I get one, then I go to the second. Here, I got it. So I will draw like so. This one is smaller than this one because it's like behind this one, right? In this view. Then you need to draw the antennae. It has how many? Like two. Okay. You can draw the feet also because they have 6 feet, right? If you want. Some other artists, they just draw this and this for the body. That's okay, even if you want to just draw something like this, it's okay. So I think it's very easy, and I think you can do it. You must be sure, you must believe in yourself that you can do it, then you can do it. Okay, now let's start drawing. Okay, here it is. This is my butterfly. I hope you like it, and I hope you also try to make it. You can also send me by email your picture. I will feature your picture too in my video. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my video to support me so that this channel will be well developed. That's it. So see you again in my next videos. Bye.